Welcome to the adorable world of the Panda Cory catfish.
The charming fish originates from the freshwater rivers of South America.
A beautiful pale yellow coloration covers the entire main body.
Notice the highly distinctive black patch covering the eyes completely.
The dark eye patches make the fish look exactly like a tiny panda bear.
A striking black dorsal fin stands out against the pale body.
A third black mark is perfectly located near the tail base.
The Panda Cory spends almost all day resting or foraging on the bottom.
The maximum size reaches about 6.5 centimeters.
The catfish features a robust and naturally armored body structure.
Delicate sensory barbels near the mouth help the fish locate hidden food.
Always keep a minimum group of 6 Panda Cory catfish together.
A proper group size reduces stress and increases confident behavior.
Keeping the highly social fish entirely alone will cause severe stress. The playful fish loves following tank mates along the bottom glass.
The Panda Cory acts as a highly efficient bottom cleaning crew.
The diligent fish searches meticulously for any leftover food particles.
The constant foraging keeps the substrate completely free of uneaten food.
A fine sand substrate is absolutely mandatory for the delicate barbels.
Never use sharp gravel, because sharp stones will damage the sensitive barbels.
Provide a minimum tank volume of 30 gallons, or 115 liters.
A complex layout of smooth driftwood provides excellent natural hiding spots.
Broad green plants create comfortable shaded areas for daytime resting.
The bottom dweller is completely safe for planted tanks and ignores roots. Maintain the water temperature steadily between 22 and 26 degrees.
The moderately warm tropical environment keeps the Panda Cory highly active.
The ideal pH level ranges from 5.8 to 7.2.
The catfish enjoys slightly acidic freshwater conditions gracefully.
Keep the water hardness level carefully between 2 and 12.
The omnivorous fish eagerly accepts specialized sinking bottom feeder wafers.
The excellent sense of smell helps the fish find sinking meat pellets quickly.
A highly balanced diet of meat and plant matter ensures perfect health.
Frozen bloodworms are a highly nutritious treat for the energetic catfish.
Best thing to Abrolagers. The entire school gathers quickly when bottom food is introduced.
A plump and rounded belly indicates excellent dietary health.
The Panda Cory interacts completely peacefully with midwater schooling tetras.
The peaceful catfish simply minds its own business in a community setup.
Always avoid keeping the gentle Panda Cory with aggressive or large fish.
The fish occasionally darts to the surface to gulp atmospheric air.
After taking a breath, the fish returns instantly to the sandy bottom.
The fish rests motionless among the dense green foreground plants.
The highly distinct black ringed eyes give the fish a very expressive face.
The pectoral fins gently prop up the body while resting on the sand.
A subtle metallic sheen is visible directly on the gill covers.
A large group creates a highly energetic and constantly moving bottom display. The very easy care level makes the species highly suitable for beginners. The active bottom dweller requires a highly oxygenated water environment.
The fish swims effortlessly against a gentle to moderate water current.
The fish searches continuously for microscopic organisms hidden in the sand.
The Panda Cory brings an incredible level of charm to any planted tank.
Natural dried almond leaves provide excellent foraging grounds for the catfish.
The adaptable fish remains completely unbothered by normal aquarium lighting.
The species often becomes highly active during the late evening feeding time.
The clear and unblemished tail fin propels the rounded body smoothly.
The pale yellow body looks incredibly striking against dark backgrounds. Panda Cory interacts entirely peacefully with ornamental freshwater snails.
Profile scan.
A sharp turn reveals the totally symmetrical and beautiful black markings.
Coral pies. A routine weekly water change ensures optimal health and clean barbels.
A slight loss of color may indicate poor water quality in the tank.
The schooling group calmly establishes a very gentle and peaceful hierarchy.
The female Panda Cory looks noticeably broader and larger than the male. The wiggling swimming style brings immense joy to the aquarist every day.
The fish navigates expertly around highly intricate stone hardscape formations.
Natural overarching driftwood bridges provide a perfect sense of security.
The extreme hardiness provides an excellent experience for beginner fish keepers.
The curious catfish swims to the front glass quickly to investigate movement.
The Panda Cory proves to be the absolute best cleaning companion available.
The true bottom dweller ignores floating food and waits for sinking items.
Notice the incredibly complex pattern of tiny dots near the dorsal fin. The species provides an endless display of dynamic and peaceful motion.
Highly soft sand substrate maintains the absolutely pristine condition of the barbels.
The fish rests entirely motionless during the darkest part of the night cycle. The energetic fish wakes up instantly to begin the daily foraging routines. The pale yellow body looks incredibly striking alongside vibrant red foreground plants. A large school brings an undeniable and vibrant tropical energy indoors.
The Panda Cory serves as the absolute perfect dynamic bottom centerpiece.
Behold the charming and highly peaceful beauty of the incredible Panda Cory.
The cute panda eyes will instantly melt the heart of any aquarist.
The cute panda eyes will instantly melt the heart of any aquarist.
Add the unforgettable Panda Cory to the freshwater community aquarium today.
Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing beginner fish care guides.
Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community.
Do you use a fine sand substrate for your Corydoras? Tell us below.
The Panda Cory is a true 5-star addition to any planted biotope.
Thank you for exploring the highly useful and beautiful freshwater fish species.
See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure.
Stay highly passionate about the incredible and highly rewarding aquarium keeping hobby.
The Aquatic Lie is your ultimate home for everything related to fish keeping.
The Aquatic Lee. Happy fish keeping.